Hello bitches, hello bitch boys. Today I'm gonna show you how to make your own free font easily online. So you can use your phone or your laptop, but I'm using my phone to record this now. So I'm gonna use my laptop, and you are going to go to calligrapher.com without the E or the link in the description, and you have to create an account there, but don't create a paid account, just go for a free account because we don't need the extra things that the paid membership gives you. So after you have done that, go on startup. We have to create a template, which is basically which characters you are going to use. So click on startup and then create a template. I'm gonna use the capital letters of the English alphabet, but you can use every character that you want. You just go to there and they have all these options so you can choose, but I'm going for this. And when you have your preferred characters, just click on download template, and here you are going to name it. It doesn't really matter right now what you name it, but I'm just gonna name it YT font video. Then you can choose your file format from PDF or PNG. I'm gonna go with PDF, but you can choose whatever you want. Then choose the template cells. So basically in the template you're going to have a bunch of rectangles where you draw inside the character, and this is how big it's gonna be. So I'm gonna just put it there. Click on draw helplines because it's gonna help you match every character so one is not taller than the other. But don't click on characters as background because over each box it's gonna have the character that it represents. And click download, wait for it to process, then click on PDF, and here is what my template looks like. Have I pressed record? Yes. And here is what my template looks like. As you can see, the letters that I chose. Here you have two options. Either you can print it, draw on it, and then take a picture or scan it, or you can use Photoshop and Illustrator, whichever you prefer. I'm gonna use Photoshop. So just put it somewhere that you know and open it with Photoshop. Let's do something quickly. So as you can see right now, we have the help guidelines, so I know where I can go and stuff. So let's say that the A, let's make it black so you can see it, or Control Z, depends on the software. So let's say that's an A. I'm using the trackpad, by the way, so don't judge me. Let's sit somewhere over here. That's a B. That B looking crispy, boy. That's a C. Yeah, totally. I can see that. Can you? That's a D. And basically, as you can see, you can draw over it. You can use the pen tool. I think that you know how to use Photoshop. If you don't look at this video because I'm not teaching you how to use Photoshop. That's for sure. After you have done your preferred characters, let's say that I did it. After you have your preferred characters, go on to export, save for web, just save it as a JPEG. Maximum quality, save. Now name your file what you want the actual font to be. Where is the other font, brother? So now that you have your font, go back on Google, Calligrapher. From here press start up again, but now we have to go on to font page, and here we're going to upload our font. So click on upload template, choose file. I did this font earlier just for this video because I knew that I wasn't gonna do anything solid while standing up and holding the laptop. So you upload the file. This isn't a really good font, but it's funny and cartoony, and basically I have to delete this. add characters to your font, and here is the font that I'm going with, and from here you click build font, you name the font. This is the important part because when you use it on Photoshop or Premiere you need to remember this name. I'm gonna name it test font, and you click on build, and here is the preview, so you can see like subscribe, and then you press on text font regular TTF, and then from here open this file, press on install, and you will have this font on your computer which you can use later on Photoshop. So let's do that. So grab your text, find your font. Here you can see the font, so you can use it on Premiere, Photoshop, as I said. So this is a video on how to make your own font. I hope it was helpful. Subscribe if you want to see more videos, and see y'all later, Beatsies and Beach Boys. Yeah.